Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you guys with us today. Today is Saturday. Today in Northern California, it's raining, overcast skies, but I'm loving it. You guys, you know we need the rain. California's in a severe drought, you guys. Pray for us because we need the rain, man. But today I bring you guys, if you guys are not familiar with it, once again, this is Glovebox. This is a curated box. Subscription type service that I think they start off at $34.99, and every month they send you, different products for you to try. They go ahead and they go through the products. They make sure everything works up to their standards, so they don't send you no junk. You guys don't get no junk from Glovebox. Well, we're gonna go ahead and give this a opening here on the camera. And let you guys see what we got. Again, this is, I think I might have said September earlier. I don't know. But it's the October box. So here we go, you guys. Ready? Ta-da! Look how awesome that stuff comes packed, you guys. They do a super, super good job. So I'm excited to get in here. Let's see what we got. First up, you get the October Deluxe Step-by-Step Guide. If you guys can see that with the light hitting it. It's two-sided. On this little, whatever you want to call it, pamphlet, it tells you, step-by-step guide. On the back, it's got all these different coupon codes or percentage codes. So from CarPro, they give you a code for 15% off. From DP products, they'll give you 25% off. I think that's on AutoGeek. Glovebox, if you want to order the towels that are in here, they're 20% off. Wizards, Metal Renew, 20% off. Well, we're kind of spoiling the box, so let's just move on here. They give you an awesome Glovebox sticker. Gotta love that. And let's see. First thing up is the Glovebox Orange 300 GSM microfiber towel. Next up is Glovebox's 365 GSM. This one's nice. This is edgeless. That's a Glovebox towel. Let's see. Wizards Metal Polish. I think that light might be a little too bright. Excited to try this. On Impala, there's a lot of metal surfaces, chrome and stainless, that need to be polished. So can't wait to try that one. Let's see, what else they give us. Look at this, guys. I swear, every box I get, I'm just like, man, I just love the way they package everything. Another product from DP Detailing Products. Now, if you remember a few videos back, I did their insect remover on the Lexus. Man, that stuff works great. I still use it every day. Well, not every day, every time I have tons of bugs on the front of the car. This is their Need for Bead Paint Protection. Leaves surfaces extremely hydrophobic and slick. Can be used on wet or dry vehicles. Safe on paint, glass, plastic, rubber, and a variety of other surfaces. Can be used as a topper on wax and sealants. Interesting. We'll be giving that sucker a try too. Like I said, the folks at Glovebox, man, they don't send you no junk. They try everything out. This is a fan favorite. That's CarPro Reset. That's a very good shampoo. And let's see. Lastly, we have Auto Fiber. From Auto Fiber, we have the microfiber wash pad. It's two-sided. Seem to be I guess one side is a little thicker than the other side, a little higher piling on the microfiber. But yeah, there you go. Spray nozzle. Just make sure nothing else is in there. There we go, you guys. Another great glove box. I hear that the November box is supposed to be over $100 value. So if you guys are not already subscribed to Glove Box Detail, you guys need to get on the wagon and give them a try. You guys will not be disappointed. I personally guarantee it. I'm telling you guys, you won't. Give it a try, you guys. Seriously, they're an awesome company. They send you some really awesome products. I like because it's a variety, so you get to use different products from different companies, and you end up figuring out what your favorites are. You can always order more. They send you they give you the little card with the coupon codes in the back. I mean, how could you go wrong? Seriously, guys. You know what I mean? Get on it. Bada bing, bada boom. Just do it. All right, you guys. Thanks for being with us on this beautiful Saturday. Again, God bless you guys and thank you. See you guys on the next one.